Hey guys, welcome back to Mom Likely. Today we're going to be doing a relaxing morning routine. Today I'm just going to be cleaning the bathroom to keep it simple and keep it relaxing for you guys. I toned down my music choices just a little bit because you guys know I love those upbeat songs. Today's video is also in collab with my friend Yesenia. I'm going to go ahead right here and let her introduce herself, and then I'm going to come back and chat with you guys for a quick second before we really get going on the cleaning.
Guys, I'm Yesenia from Yesenia, A Mom's Life. I am a wife and a mom of 3 kids. I post everything from cleaning videos, grocery hauls, decor, DIYs, wreath making, anything that has to do with being a woman, wife, and a mother. So don't forget to come over to my channel. I post 3 times a week, sometimes even a bonus video on Sundays. You will not regret it. You will definitely enjoy. Also, make sure you leave me a comment. Let me know you came over from this beauty's channel so I could say hi. Can't wait to see you over on my channel.
And if you guys are coming over from Yesenia's channel, I thank you so much for visiting me today, and we really appreciate you watching our videos today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As I said before, I have playlists in my description. If you would like to check out more videos, consider subscribing if you would like to. Love to have you here. And so without further ado, let's get into today's video.
little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like, my, my, my. Like, oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh, oh. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it. 'Cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like, my, my, my. Like, oh my God, this time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like, my, my, my. Like, oh my God, my, my, my. You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like, my, my, my. Like, oh my God. You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. We run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I
look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around.
Alright guys, if you made it this far, then you have the opportunity to see these amazing before and after photos. I'm super happy that this space is cleaned up. It was really a total disaster from just being neglected for the week, actually like a week and a half, but regardless, it's cleaned up now and sanitized, which makes me very happy. I still need to do my deep cleaning routine in here on the floor and shower tiles, but we've come a long way in this cleaning session, I would say. Don't forget to go check out Yesenia's video, and if you're coming over from her channel, thank you so much for tuning in with me today. Please say hi in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with a friend if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe if you are new. And I'll see you guys definitely in the next one. Bye.
There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life.